Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing, this time for James. This is the first ever drawing for James, and as you can see, I am drawing on my last A4 size paper sheet. I have to order new A4, A2 and A1 size paper sheets because your support is amazing. I truly appreciate all of your orders. I also have to order a full new set of markers because after coloring all of these huge commissions the last months, most of my markers are empty. Anyways, today we will draw an epic fight scene with female characters. I'm not doing this often, so this will be a real challenge for me, and these are the two original characters of James, and he wanted them as Super Saiyan Blue and Super Saiyan God. So this is a short video and we will now enjoy the drawing process and then we will see what the end result looks like in the end. I'm letting the video play in a full screen the whole time so we can see the evolution of this drawing fully. Hit like, subscribe, and I see you at the end. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then the custom drawing for James is done. And I think this is a great drawing. Very vibrant, dynamic, and this one really looks like a print. I think I captured the original female sayings of James in a really cool way, and soon we will see another drawing of these two because James wants another custom drawing. I really like this drawing, so let me know what you think. Alright guys, if you're also interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram or email and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. I'm gonna upload the full and real-time version soon on the second channel as always, and that's it for today. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you on the next